I love eggs in the morning, and today we're making a scramble. So, like a kitchen sink scramble, it's going to have just about everything. There's some leftovers. Starting out with a 16-ounce carton of Costco cage-free egg whites. Um, we get 8 cartons in the package, and most of them can go in the freezer. So we have some olive oil and a bunch of sliced garlic to begin. So you want this to just get a little fragrant. And I also have some, I also like to roast whole garlic cloves until they're soft, and then mash them, use them as a spread on bread. You could also put that in here. So we're going to use a whole carton of egg whites, shake them up. Have some Mexican style salsa, organic salsa, also from Costco today. Well, it looks like it's still, some of the egg whites are still frozen, but that's not going to be a problem. It's going to take a while to set, but you want to pull the cooked eggs into the center. Okay, so we're going to add some leftover vegetable risotto that came from one of these meal plans that I have delivered. Black olives and capers left over from a fish recipe. The fish and vegetable medley I made. Here's some leftover salsa and garlic that I used to poach fish. I believe it was last week. Here's the organic salsa from Costco. Don't forget the grated Parmesan. I also have some reduced fat Swiss I could throw in here if I wanted to. Then we have this beautiful smoked wild sockeye salmon from Alaska that I also get at Costco. I'll throw that in there. Salsa. So the eggs are cooked, but the dish is moist because of the added salsa. I'm probably going to use the rest of this. I have only a little bit left of the smoked salmon, so I might as well throw that in there. I'm going to garnish this with parsley. If I had some green onions chopped up, I'd throw those in there, but I don't have any ready at the moment. A little more cheese wouldn't be out of order here. I made some organic quinoa with chickpeas and diced tomatoes, organic diced tomatoes. That'll go well as a side dish with these beautiful scrambled eggs. Enjoy. Gonna finish this off with some crushed red pepper, crushed red Aleppo pepper, and of course I forgot to put the parsley on. Throw that in there now. Okay, there you have it.